Inquire. Inquire about the price.
He made an inquiry about the job opportunity.
She is always eager to inquire about new things.
Don't hesitate to inquire if you have any questions.
I will inquire into the matter further.
We need to inquire about the availability of the hotel room.
He made an inquiry about the delivery schedule.
I am inquiring about the status of my application.
She frequently inquires about her friends and family.
Please inquire at the front desk for more information.